Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, today we start one topic here buoyant force. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला माहीतच आहे की व्हिडिओ लेक्चरच्या माध्यमातून आपण प्रेशर, फोर्स अँड प्रेशर हे चॅप्टर आपण चालू केलेले आहे. We start one topic or chapter that is force and pressure. During such chapter, there is one topic here that is a buoyant force. Yesterday in my last video we can study that is force or pressure by gas or atmospheric pressure. Today in this video lecture we can start one topic of buoyant force. You know, dear student, when we during the swimming, when we drop inside the water, then our body can instantly moves upward direction. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्विमिंग करते वेळेस किंवा पोहते वेळेस आपण जेव्हा पाण्यामध्ये उडी घेतो त्यावेळेस आपली बॉडी आपोआपच पाण्याच्या वर येते. और एनी ऑब्जेक्ट विच कॅन फ्लोट्स ऑन द वॉटर और एनी लिक्विड देअर और एनी फ्लुइड दॅट इज ओनली ड्यू टू द buoyant फोर्स. कोणताही ऑब्जेक्ट जो पाण्यावर तरंगतो हा buoyant फोर्स मुळे तरंगतो. डिअर स्टुडंट, लुक टुवर्ड्स दिस डायग्राम. दिस कंटेनर filled with water. This container filled with water. And you know there is one ball which is present on the surface of water. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे एक कंटेनर आहे, याच्यामध्ये पाणी भरलेलं आहे आणि त्या पाण्यामध्ये त्या पाण्याच्या सरफेसवर पृष्ठभागावर हा बॉल तरंगतोय. व्हाय सच बॉल कॅन बी फ्लोट्स ऑन द वॉटर. तो बॉल त्या पाण्यावर का तरंगतोय? व्हॉट इज द रिझन? बिकॉज दॅट इज upward force exerted. Dear student, look towards this direction of arrow. Upward force exerted by water on this ball. म्हणजे ते वॉटर हे त्या बॉलवर अपवर्ड फोर्स एक्सर्ट करते विच इज अगेन्स्ट फोर्स ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी. म्हणजे गुरुत्वाकर्षणाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेला वॉटर हे त्या बॉलवर फोर्स अप्लाय करते and due to this that ball floats on the water and that is said to be the buoyant force. त्याला आपण buoyant force म्हणतो. Means upward force exerted by any liquid, water or gas, that force is called a buoyant force. Means look here, during such diagram there is one container. Look again, it can fill with water and you know here that ball can floats above the water on the surface of water. An upward force exerted by that water on this ball, and that upward force exerted by water on that ball, and that force is called a buoyant force. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, buoyant force चे आपण पुष्कळ एक्झाम्पल्स पाहू शकतो. Any object which can drop inside the water, it instantly comes on the surface of water firstly. Why it instantly comes on the water surface firstly? Due to only the buoyant force. Because gravitational force of the earth attract object toward itself, but you know here that water exert opposite force to the gravitational force on that particular object. The upward force exerted by water or any liquid on that object, that is called a buoyant force. त्याला आपण buoyant force म्हणतो. म्हणजे गुरुत्वाकर्षणाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने पाण्याने एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्टवर अप्लाय केलेला किंवा निर्माण केलेला फोर्स त्याला आपण buoyant फोर्स म्हणतो. लुक हियर, व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन? द अपवर्ड. डिअर स्टुडंट, दिस पॉइंट दॅट इज वर्ड अपवर्ड इज इम्पॉर्टंट. द अपवर्ड फोर्स acting on the object in water or other fluid or gas is called a buoyant force. Means you know here that is any liquid or gas, they are called fluid. If that any fluid or water which can acting a upward force on the object, that is called a buoyant force. It is the definition of buoyant force. The upward force acting on the object in water or other fluid or gas is called buoyant force. That is the definition of buoyant force. Dear student, you know that is a ship floats on the sea water. Why that ship floats on the sea water? Only due to the buoyant force of the sea water. because upward force acting on the sea, which is present on the surface of seawater, that upward force acting on the sea by seawater, and that is called a buoyant force there. And you know here विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, buoyant force can depends upon the 2 points. Which are these 2 points here? Look here, that is buoyant force is depends upon 2 factors. Which are these 2 factors? One, the volume of object. You know what is volume? Objectचा आकारमान. If you know that is a volume of object is greater, then buoyant force is also the greater. Or you know the buoyant force is greater if volume of object is more. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या की 50 ग्रॅमचे एक बॉल आहे, मेटल बॉल. 50 ग्रॅमचा एक मेटल बॉल आहे, तो पाण्यामध्ये जर आपण टाकला तर तो तळाशी जातो. बट यू नो दॅट 50 ग्रॅम मेटल सीट, एखादा 50 ग्रॅमचा जर पातळ पत्रा असेल धातूचा तर तो पाण्यावर तरंगतो. लुक हियर, that is mass of object is same but volume is big. If that 50 gram metal ball deep inside the water goes deep at the bottom of water, but you know that a thin sheet of the 50 gram metal, it should be floats on the water. And you know if the volume of object is greater, then buoyant force is greater. Second point, if the density of object or density of liquid is greater, then buoyant force is also greater. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वॉटरची डेन्सिटी ही सर्वात जास्त आहे. जस्ट यू नो इट इज हॅव द ग्रेटर डेन्सिटी, and due to this, that is many object, lot of object can floats on the water. If the density of water is greater, density of liquid is greater, then buoyant force is also the greater. वॉटरची डेन्सिटी जर जास्त असेल तर buoyant force हा सुद्धा कसा असेल, जास्त असेल. And you know here what is the density? Density equals to mass upon volume is a formula to calculate the density of object. Means that is the point which is very important point related to buoyant force. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हा अतिशय महत्वाचा असा पॉइंट आहे की जो buoyant force रिलेटेड आहे. And these two factors, volume of object and density of liquid, the two factors are very important, and buoyant force is depend upon volume of object and density of liquid. Means in this way here, dear student, that is the topic of buoyant force. In my next video lecture, I am starting one topic here, that is Archimedes principle, that is equal to or related to buoyant force there. And look here, that is a very important topic, and that Archimedes principle is the last topic of this chapter. Hence, please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch my all the videos for learning a more topic of science of 8th class. And thanks for watching my video.